state of Maharashtra. Well, this is the word coming in from Eknath Shinde, Shiv Sena's camp spokesperson Krishna Hegde. He has hit out at the Congress and India alliance after the exit poll predictions. He has said, and I'm going to quote him here, that India alliance getting 295 seats is, as claimed by them, is completely impossible. Congress is the weak link in their alliance. Let's listen into what Krishna Hegde actually said.
इस लोकसभा इलेक्शन में इंडी गठबंधन को 295 सीट मिलना नामुमकिन है, क्योंकि इंडी गठबंधन में कांग्रेस ही एक कमजोर कड़ी बनकर उभर के आई है। ये साबित हुआ है। कांग्रेस को पिछले 2 लोकसभा इलेक्शन में 90 सीट मिले थे और इस बार सभी इंडी गठबंधन के घटक के सपोर्ट से और इंडी गठबंधन में रहकर भी कांग्रेस को 65 सीट इस लोकसभा इलेक्शन में मिले तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होगी।
CNN News 18's Vinaya Deshpande is joining us on the broadcast. A very good afternoon to you, Vinaya. Please tell us what exactly the picture of Maharashtra looks like, because the central government and all the allies are pretty confident that 295 is unachievable target by the India alliance.
At least Sanjay Raut has claimed here while speaking to the media today morning. He commented on the exit polls, saying that the exit polls were incorrect, and he claimed that the India alliance would get 295 to 310 seats, something that Jairam Ramesh has also spoken about. That is the whole point of attack by Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde group. Now we are seeing that Hegde has tweeted out saying that this is wrong and that there is no way for the Congress at least to help the India alliance get so many seats, because the Congress is the weakest.
Right, Vinay. Also, what Krishna Hegde said there, he said that the Congress is the weak link for the entire alliance. Was he specifically mentioned the case in the state of Maharashtra, or he was talking about the nationwide image?
Well, when he speaks of 295 seats, he's purely speaking about the entire country, because that is the anticipation by the India bloc that it will get anywhere between 295 to 310 seats. And raising an attack on this kind of a prediction by the India bloc now, the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde group has slammed back Krishna Hegde, saying that it's not just in Maharashtra but across the country in several states, it is the Congress which will drag down the India alliance, and that is why it is not possible for that bloc to get so many seats as has been anticipated. In Maharashtra as well, we have seen that that pretty much is the picture, while Uddhav Thackeray group of Shiv Sena has fought on maximum number of seats, 21 seats, and thereby it is likely that the Shiv Sena of Uddhav Thackeray might end up getting more seats than the 2 alliance partners, including the Congress as well as the NCP Sharad Pawar group. So in that sense, may it be a picture for Maharashtra or may it be a nationwide picture, Krishna Hegde's comments with respect to Congress being the weak link applies both to Maharashtra as well as nationally. Here, clearly, he is targeting the Congress at a national level, saying that it is for 295 seats across the country that the Congress is incapable of helping the India bloc with. Back to you.
Right, Vinaya. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates coming in straight from the state of Maharashtra. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that story. Right now,